This is my K1270 diesel tractor that I'm doing an in-frame rebuild on. Looks a little bit different than it did last video. Got the sleeves put in, all 6 of them, and here's the last piston I'm putting in. It's really nice looking. It's been real easy to get these pistons in. It was pretty easy to get the sleeves in, a lot easier than getting them out. But it's coming along pretty well. I should have, here's the cap for the rod, connecting rod. Got a fresh new bearing on it. All of the top bushings for the connecting rod with the wrist pin goes into were good enough spec that I did not have to replace them. So the only thing I've replaced so far would be cylinder sleeves, pistons, rings, and the journal bearings for the connecting rod. Looks a lot better than it did. Cleaned up the block a little bit, got a lot of debris scraped off. I could tell. The injection pump turns real well. It already spits out fuel. I'm gonna drain the fuel system out though, because I imagine it still has some water inside of it since it's been sitting for 3 years. But here is the Case IH book. I will probably leave a link in the video for the link for the service manual. Finding the service manual was a pain in the butt because this is a 1977 Case 1270, and the later model service manuals are hard to find, it seems to be. So, of course, here's the old cylinders and pistons. Real rough looking compared to the new ones. The parts I got the pistons from, Reliance ASAP tractor parts. That's where I got these from. So, it's getting close. I should have the head gaskets and the rest of the gaskets for the top and oil pan gaskets. And then after that, I don't have a starter. I'll have to buy a starter. That's about $500 I found them for. And then after that, there's no other known issues on this machine. Of course, there could be something hidden. I'm not too sure yet. So, I want to repaint everything, and I want to replace a ton of parts on it. I'd like to get a new alternator. I'd like to there's tons of stuff I'd like to replace on this for sure. But that's all I got for now. I'll continue to share my progress. And in the next video, I should have the heads on and be checking the valve lash and getting it all timed up and putting it back together. So I'll see you guys later.